Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about iProxy. iProxy is a service that allows you to set up mobile proxies using your mobile device. You don't need to know technical information, just install the iProxy mobile application on your phone, set up an IP address change, and your mobile proxy are ready. So the price of the service is very reasonable, from $6 to $10 per month. Therefore, making your own proxy through iProxy is more profitable than buying ready-made ones. So guys, it is also important to tell that location of the proxy equals to location of the phone. It means that you will get a proxy of that country where the phone is located. If you are in USA, then there will be a mobile proxy of the USA. If you are in Brazil, then there will be a mobile proxy of Brazil. If you are in the UK, then there will be a UK mobile proxy, and so on. So this depends on the location that you are. So if you're in Nigeria, there will be a mobile proxy of Nigeria. So guys, with iProxy Online, it gives you access to many services like HTTP, SOC S5 support changing the IP address automatically after a specific period of time, that is like rotation, IP address change via link, a Telegram bot for notification and IP address changes, a Telegram bot for uptime notification. If the proxy stop working, you will instantly be notified about it. IP history, uptime history, unique IP features. It allows you to additionally toggle airplane mode if you get the same IP address that has already been issued in the last 10 minutes. POF replacement, meaning passive OS fingerprint. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to show you how to set up iProxy and get started. So first of all, we are going to learn how we can open an account on iProxy. So I already have an account on iProxy, but I'm going to show you guys how to open an account on iProxy. Then secondly, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up iProxy and connect it to your mobile device. So if this video is helping you, please use this means to hit on the like button, and also if you are new to this channel, help me by hitting on the subscription button. Thank you. This iProxy in farming cryptocurrency Airdrop. You can use it in creating multiple accounts. You can also use iProxy in creating different socials accounts like Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, depending on your choice. So you can use it in logging in different accounts and participating in different crypto campaign. iProxy is the best proxy for farming multiple accounts on crypto. For those of you that normally farm crypto Airdrop, iProxy is good for you. So I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video that is going to bring you here for those of you that want to sign an account on iProxy. So what you just need to do is to click on the link, then it's going to bring you here. So it might take you directly to sign up, or you can just click on sign up. So after clicking on sign up, you are going to see put down your name, your email address, your password, your Telegram username. Now you verify this, then you are good to go. So that is how to create an account on iProxy. So after that, I'm going to take you guys to the next step, is for you to verify your email address. So make sure to verify your email address. So I've already created an account on iProxy, so they're going to send you a link to your registered email. Make sure to verify it. After you have verified it, now what you don't need to do is to download the iProxy application on your mobile device. So after you download the iProxy application, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Let's just click on start now. So if you click on start, you're going to see click on the download button. You'll be redirected to Google Play, where you can install application. So you can scan the code with this cell phone camera to install the iProxy app. I did install. After that, you continue. So make sure to visit Play Store and download the iProxy application. So I've already downloaded my own, so I'm just going to click on I did install app on Android phone, then click on continue. Now what you don't need to do is to generate a pin. So after you generate a pin, you just click on continue. If you want to know how to generate a pin, you can watch this video instruction here. So now you don't need to click on generate pin. So make sure to generate your pin. Authorized pin expire in 2 minutes. so in 2 minutes you can restart it. So after that, I'm going to show you what to do before you can click on generate pin. So you need to open your iProxy app on your Android phone. Alright, so what you all need to do now is to just open your iProxy app. Alright, so you can use your email to log in and password, or you can use pin. So we are going to use pin. You don't need to put down the pin, or you can scan it. So you can click on scan to scan it, then you click on login. Alright guys, so done. Proxy is enabled, status stopping, blah blah blah. So you are going to see something like this. So start setup, assistant will help you to utilize. Now you click on start. So after you click on start, you're going to see something like this, and please don't forget to click on continue on the screen. So just click on continue too, so you leave it like this. So now after you click on that, now you need to click on grant permission. So customer support group, skip. Now it's loading like this. So they need you to download this VPN. So what you all need to do is to install this VPN. So let's see how to install the VPN. Okay, if you go to Play Store by clicking on that link, it will direct you to Play Store by clicking on that link. Now what you all need to do is to click on download to download the VPN. Alright guys, so downloaded. Now you click on open. What you need to do is to click on continue. Alright, so you can see on the screen. So after you download the open VPN, make sure to open it. Then you follow this process. Then it's going to bring you somewhere here. Then click on I trust this application. Then click on OK. Now setting up. So open VPN for Android want to set up a VPN connection that will allow you to monitor network traffic. Only accept if you trust this. Then click on continue to accept. Setting up VPN configuration. So wait for it to process. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, data voice assistant setup. Let's see. The device does not have to be rooted in order to change the IP, blah blah blah. So now just click on open setting. Okay, so this is where you need to come. Click on iProxy. Yeah, click on iProxy. And you go back. Okay, done. Now you click on continue. Now you click on set up Wi-Fi speed, enable Wi-Fi speed. Then you click on continue. Now you can see click on allow. Then click on allow. Then click on continue. Then you click on allow. Or app. Now you search for open VPN. Click on it. Not optimize. Yeah. Alright, so you go back. You have already configured Open VPN for Android to run in background. Then you click on continue. Then you click on done. Right guys, so this is what you need to know on how to set up the iProxy. And please don't forget to click on continue on the screen. So just click on continue too. Alright guys, so after you have installed the VPN and done the setup, what you need to do is to click on continue. Now you set remote IP change. So just click on continue. So you can see on the screen I've set everything. Now you click on done. Alright guys, so looking on the screen you can see connection AG update 1. So you can click on create connection here. You click on create connection here, you are going to see different countries for you to select from. Dallas, Los Angeles. I'm going to select Dallas. So when you select Dallas, put down the name that you want, maybe update. Then your description, maybe connection. So anything you want to put here, you can put. Then you click on create connection. So looking on the screen, you can see update, tariff expire soon. So for this, no plan for this, so I can just perform one. So you can see different tariffs that they have. You can see Big Pro $10 for 30 days. The speed limit, the number of proxy available is 15. Log available is 12 weeks. can see Wi-Fi split, different option. Big Daddy, you can also see its subscription plan, 30 days, $8, 30 days. Baby, you can also see the subscription plan. So if you click here to buy, you can show you different methods by which you can use and buy. If you have promotion code, fine. If you have, so you can top up your balance first for you to buy. So to top up your balance, you click on top up my balance, $10, $20, 30, 50, 100, 200 or 10. So you can click on select payment. So they have different ways you can use to pay. So you can see it here. Disable VPN before making the payment. So make sure to disable the VPN before making the payment. You are topping up balance with $10. So this is what you need to do. So you can see Visa also for you to buy. So now I can't perform anything here, just this side, and you can change the proxy at any time of your choice you wish to change the IP. So if you click on change IP, you can add any one of your choice, add URL, you can see on the screen. So advanced. So this way to get some minor information. Telegram bot, you can visit your Telegram bot here. SMS app also. History, you can get your history here, your statistic also, you can see it here. So for now, this is my connection. This is my connection. You can add more access points of your choice with a login password. E1, your choice. Add access, so you can add any access of your choice. Then you can perform anything you want to do. So you can open another profile for you to do the same thing, then you are good to go. So guys, this is how you can use it. So you can see option for top up, set your amount that you want. Transaction also, you can see referral. You can use my link for those of you interested in it. So use my link to get it. Download for the app version, API, question and answer if you need it. For support, you can get it here also for the support thing on Telegram. Then your profile, you can monitor your profile here. So change password and API login and the rest. So this is what you need to know for those of you on it. So at any time you can change your IP using the mobile version. Just change your IP and log in your account. You are good to go. Alright guys, so I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.